Friends, this short video is about trust, empowerment, and speed, okay? Especially when working for organizations or in teams. And I was going to share this message in my morning briefing with my team, but I thought we'll record it and share it with all of you also. Now, understand that empowerment is built on trust. If people trust you, they'll empower you, right? And if there is no trust and no empowerment, the speed of decision making really slows down because all decisions are centralized. They have to be approved. Everybody has to be in the loop. There is no decentralization of decision making or power. Now, there are two sides to this coin. For leaders who are watching this, I encourage you to empower more. I encourage you to communicate your values more. I encourage you to spend time conveying the big picture more to your teams and then letting them navigate how to get to the big pictures, right? Rather than creating a dependency at every stage. For people who are working, who are not in leadership positions, right? For team members in general, for young people in particular, first jobs, very important that you do not break the trust of the organization, that you build trust and credibility in the system, because once that is built, and it'll take you some time to build that, you will see that more empowerment will come your way. With more empowerment, you'll have more liberty, more creativity, more innovation to do things the way you like them. And also, I urge you all, especially people who've just entered organizations, to understand the big picture of what your teams, what your units, what your strategic business units, what your organization, what your startup is trying to do, which is to understand the true north. Why are you a part of this team? Where is everybody trying to go? What is the big picture here? And once you understand that and appreciate that, understand your role in it. And if you are empowered to do things on your own, especially in the early part of your career, please do understand, use that as an opportunity to build more trust and credibility. Do not violate that trust. I think it was Dr. Stephen Covey who said, trust is the glue which holds all relationships together. So once you build that, you will see there's more decision making, there's more leeway, there's more freedom that comes your way. And if you violate that, and if you don't understand the big picture, or if you work with just a transactional mindset, you will never have that. And so there are two sides to this coin. At the same time, for leaders of teams, I urge you to experiment more with delegation, to experiment more with giving freedom for creativity, and to communicate, take time to communicate the values of the organization. They might have attended a wonderful HR orientation program, but it is your duty as a leader to reinforce those cultural values, because it's not static. That culture is a fluid thing, and you'll have a lot of teachable moments. Ritz Carlton, one of the leading hotel companies in the world, famous for its service standards, they do in their evening briefing, they tell a story about service excellence, in which one of their team members went above and beyond the call of duty to do something. And the reason why they have the storytelling session of Ritz team members exceeding expectations is so that every day in their briefings they can reinforce what Ritz truly stands out for. And I think it was Simon Cooper, the COO, the Chief Operating Officer of Ritz, who said this wonderfully. People don't have an emotional reaction to things. People have emotional reactions to other people, right? So Ritz knows as a hotel chain company that they will not remember the marble or the beauty of the property, which they will enjoy while they are living in the property, but they will cherish the human connection. So it's important that they maintain that connections with the people. So the people part is very, very important for that company, and it needs to be reinforced. So to leaders and team members, I urge you to take every opportunity to communicate the values and the vision and the big picture of your organization, and trust and empower people. That way, the entire team can align, move in the same direction. Of course, you'll have to do course correction here and there, but it's better than slowing things down. To be part of an environment where there is no communication of values, no trust and no empowerment can really slow things down. And it will not be in the best interest of any of the parties involved. Let me know what you think about this. Let me know what sort of personal experiences you've had with this. the insights that I've shared in this video in the comments section, and I'd love to continue this conversation in another video. Thanks for tuning in.